Good morning, everybody. What is up? Welcome to another vlog. Today might be something special. I might have a surprise for you guys, but I'm not sure because I haven't really gotten like a certain answer back. But once I do, I'll let you guys know. There's a bunch of other stuff planned in the middle of me showing you guys the surprise later on today. Hopefully I swear to God, I want it to happen so bad so I can show you guys, because I think it's a pretty big deal. I think it's a pretty good surprise as well, so I think you guys will be very entertained, and yeah, just look forward to it. All right, can't really tell you much, I'm sorry. You gotta just wait until either the thumbnail that I post, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna post that as a thumbnail, either that, you just gotta wait till like further on in the video. Just, you know, I'm sorry. But freaking, I'm in my car right now. I'm good on gas. I'm probably gonna get a Red Bull, and then I'm gonna go to Mikey's place. Mikey has to pretty much get a differential from somebody, I guess, to take it up to Oceanside, to the car that I'm gonna be showing you later on. All right, I don't want to give it away, but he's gonna be doing that, and I'll see you guys then. Hope you guys enjoy. There goes Mikey trying to get Paul's jack. Paul's car is looking hurt, dog. Look at that shit. You got them stock Evo 9 BBSs. Fuck. Paul had to fuck, excuse me. Paul had to fucking sell his Nita or Enki NT03s so that he could afford the transmission. So I don't blame him. I mean, I like those rims, but you know, shit happens and you gotta get rid of your good rims, right? But yeah, it kinda sucks. That Mikey's back.
You're disgusting.
You're disgusting, my nigga. Put your ass all out and shit. So we're taking off the rear diff. Yeah.
Get dirty.
Hold on, guys. It is 10:37, all right? Let's keep that in mind. Let's see how fast Mikey does this shit.
How fast do you do it?
Let's go.
All right.
All right. Let's see how long this shit took us. Damn.
45 minutes.
Yeah, just about 45 minutes.
Could have been quicker, but we. That's pretty good though.
Oh yeah, dog. 45 minutes to take this bitch off. Hella good. Yeah. Oh my God. Ridiculous. This is crazy. There's already been a bunch of fucking videos and shit on YouTube. Nah, he wasn't yelling or anything. What did he tell you?
Nothing.
Damn, that shit's crazy. That's that English racing for you. Damn. This Evo's nuts.
This one might be a little easier because it has aftermarket separate.
Oh yeah?
But the bolts are hard.
Me and Mikey are gonna throw in a differential because I guess his broke or something. But this shit's crazy. There's a couple videos on YouTube and shit. This car made 1144, something like that. Yeah, shit's fucking crazy. Oh my God.
Really?
I'll show you guys a little bit more in a little bit.
No way. Nah.
Look at that. That shit's nuts. I'll ask him a little bit more questions about the Evo when either we're done and the thing's running, or just a little bit, because we're gonna work on the car right now. So we got this bitch out. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know, Evo subframes are not like this. This is definitely aftermarket, especially coming from English Racing. I guess they wanted everything fucking high performance and all that shit, but yeah, this was a bitch to get out. Yeah, I'm out of breath and shit because this shit took for fucking ever. A lot of pulling and tugging and all that shit. So we gotta take these 3 bolts out now, and some bolts on the sides and stuff, and then right there, and then we'll take this shit out, and then we'll put the new diff in, and we'll put everything back together, and hopefully do a little test drive or some shit if Michael's up to it.
Start.
Yeah, right. Now the car will start. Hopefully, you know, do a little test run, make sure everything runs good.
Yeah.
That was the culprit. Look at that shit. That's crazy. It's LSD too. There you guys, you see? That's crazy.
And it's an Evo 9, so it's a newer one.
Yeah. So then you just put the diff back onto the subframe, and then put the subframe up, back it up, easiest way. Mikey knows how to fucking do it.
So we know which one. Here's yours.
Alright.
There, I just said everything here.
Woo! We just got this bitch a new diff. Damn, that thing looks pretty. So, Michael said that he was gonna go out street racing tonight with me. So, we're gonna see what this thing does compared to everybody else, which I mean, it'll fucking annihilate everybody, so, yeah. I already know how it's gonna be. It's gonna be crazy, dude. Thing is nasty. So, Michael,
what's up?
Couple questions, dog.
Yeah.
So, how were you able to afford this?
You know, investing, saving money.
Investing?
Saving money, sell my other car, got rid of the Mopar. Evo.
Yeah.
Better change.
And he means investing as well by, like, cryptocurrency, you know, how, like, all that fucking Bitcoin craze and all that shit. Like, Michael fucking knew about that shit back in the day, so he invested in a couple of that and made his profit and got this. Man, that shit is crazy, homie.
It's no Ferrari, no Lamborghini.
Hey, but it'll smoke a Ferrari or Lambo. So, what kind of power are you making right now?
900?
God damn. 900 on the 85, right?
Yeah.
And then,
An E85 C16 mix, about 1100.
Oh my god. That shit is insane. You're gonna roll with us to Fontana next time?
Should be.
Hell yeah. So, you guys already know I'm gonna get some more video content of that beast rolling with us. And some fucking Road Race America footage as well. But, yeah. I almost died.
Which way? Brake light we're always on?
Yeah.
It's fixed though.
For real.
Where's the straightaway at?
When you pull for real, you'll feel that shit.
That dog box tranny though.
Yeah, the two-step on is crazy.
Around and do a little pull.
Yeah, right here. Just pull it.
Oh no!
Go downhill. You're doing downhill, dog. Oh my god!
Dog here! Let's go back. Let's do that one more time.
That shit's insane.
Oh my god, this thing was nasty.
Holy shit.
I would go to electrical.
Crazy ass fucking car, dog. Alright, go! Oh my god.
Alright guys, well, I just made it home. Today was a crazy day, insane, as you guys could tell from the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, comment, see what your favorite part was, or anything you'd like to see some more, because Mikey, me, and Paul are all gonna start hanging out with Michael, which is the new owner of the 1100 horsepower English Racing Evo. So if you guys want any other video content, let me know, and I'll make sure to set up a date or something and record that for you guys. But if you guys like the video, like I said, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Alright, deuces, one love.